Hi class, let's take a look at example 10. In example 10, they want us to do the h comma k form and basically identify what it is. So because of both of the x's and the y's being squared, this one could be technically a circle, an ellipse, or a hyperbola, but because of the minus there, this one's going to be ending up being a hyperbola. So let me actually pair the x's and the y's so we can actually express it in h comma k form. So in this case, I'm just gonna factor a 3, so you're gonna get x squared plus 2x, and then minus 1. This will be y squared plus the values of 10y, and this is equal to 1. Now to the actual x's, let me extract. In this case, we're going to be using the 2, and the 2 is going to be divided by 2 and technically squared, so 1 squared is equal to 1. So at this portion we're going to be adding 1, but because of this 3, we're going to be adding to the right hand side, well, technically 3 times 1. And then on the actual y's, we're looking at the values of 10 divided by 2 squared. So this one's actually going to give us 5 squared is equal to 25. So technically plus 25, but because of the negative, we're going to end up subtracting 25 from the right hand side. So let me rewrite it, and we're technically looking at 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 times y squared plus 10y plus 25. This is equal to 1 plus 3 minus 25. Okay, so let me complete the squared. This one's going to give us a 3 times x plus 1 squared minus a 1 times y plus 5 squared. This is equal to, and on the right hand side, we're just getting on these two a 4 minus 25. I'm getting a negative 21. And at this point, let me actually divide the negative 21, divide the negative 21, and the negative 21, so that we can rewrite it in standard form. So we're looking at, well, the y's are going to end up positive, so let me write that first. So y plus 5 squared over the square root of 21, technically squared, and then minus, and this will give us the x plus 1 squared, and this 21, you can rewrite it as 7 times 3, so you're gonna end up with a 7, or square root of 7 squared. This is equal to 1. So we're looking at this particular one. So this is our h comma k form, and we're looking at a hyperbola with center at -1 comma -5, and that's actually it.